First, we'll talk about what are the aspects of clustering from a supplier point of view. Efficiency gain, sure. Knowledge and innovation sharing, okay, that sounds good. Risk concentration, yes. Economic development, all good. Specialization and competitive advantage. However, there are concerns.
Thanks, Greg. We just wanted to cover a little bit about the key risks associated with supplier clustering, such as concentration risk, which is an issue if you have a natural disaster or some political instability in that region or an economic downturn that can disrupt the entire supply chain. The next is a lack of diversification. If one supplier fails, it has a cascading effect with the entire supply chain, leading to delays and increased costs. So the dependence and interdependence between suppliers can be a real roadblock and a risk here. Another one is quality and compliance issues. It's been shown that suppliers that are in close proximity often share similar production practices and standards. And while that can create efficiency, it can also heighten the risk of quality lapses and compliance violations spreading across that cluster. Increased competition. Some of these companies within the same cluster are fighting for resources that can be detrimental. Innovation stagnation. Sometimes when you're very close knit, you kind of move at the pace of your competition. You don't try to stretch as much. So to mitigate these risks, companies can adopt strategies such as diversifying their supplier base, conducting regular risk assessments, and fostering strong relationships with multiple suppliers across regions and industries. So the key here is having suppliers that are not landlocked in the same region and that are competing. And that's why you see some companies actually try to diversify their own internal supply network so that they can help each other even across the globe.